Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 14th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture for showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar yen, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold segment, let's get into it, because today's setup is genuinely fascinating. Gold is currently trading around $4,087, sitting in a really interesting no man's land after a dramatic morning. Price sold off hard during the Asian session, tagging a multi-day low near $3,990 before snapping back aggressively at the London Open, a near $75 recovery in a single candle. That kind of move demands respect and caution in equal measure. Our bias is moderately bullish on the intraday picture, with the H1 and M15 both showing upside momentum. But the H4 is still technically a downtrend, and price is now pressing up against a significant ceiling, the $4,108 to $4,118 resistance zone, which was previous support before the breakdown. Above that, the H for 50-period EMA sits at $4,091, acting as an overhead drag. To the downside, the $4,052 to $4,065 area is the base that launched this morning's rally, and that's your key reference if price starts pulling back. Now, fundamentally, this morning's CPI data has already hit the wires, and that spike high at $4,112 almost certainly reflects the initial reaction. With headline CPI forecast lower year-over-year and core cooling slightly, softer inflation typically weakens the dollar and supports gold. But watch Chairman Walsh testifying at 10 o'clock, any hawkish tone could quickly reverse those gains. Key levels to watch: $4,112 resistance, $4,078 as intraday support, and $4,052 below that. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.1462 and 1.1489. Support is marked between 1.1393 and 1.1405. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3438 and 1.3452. Support is marked between 1.3362 and 1.3372. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 162.22 and 162.39. Support is marked between 161.58 and 161.73. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8095 and 0.8109. Support is marked between 0.8058 and 0.8065. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.7005 and 0.702. Support is marked between 0.6945 and 0.6956. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4105 and 1.4116. Support is marked between 1.4045 and 1.4055. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.